The last and third point,
In
I
še
finished.
tretja in zadnja točka
It's about the issue of formation.
gre za formacijo.
Systemic approach to formation program that manifests itself in educative and pastoral planning.
Sistematičen pristop k formaciji se izraža in načrtuje sama sebe v vzgojni in pastoralni skupnosti.
So there are three phrases
Tri izrazi,
that, that I am going to conclude with. The first one is,
prvi,
from a sporadic and casual to a more systematic formation.
od posamične in čisto naključne, skupne, spojene formacije k bolj
Integrating all
sistematični formaciji,
Integrating all aspects,
in ki vključuje vse vidike,
spiritual, pedagogical,
Duhovno.
pastoral and professional.
se pravi vse vidike duhovno, pedagoško, pastoralno, profesionalno.
And this is something that we can do.
In to je nekaj, kar mi lahko naredimo.
We know that the province, you are already on course in doing this, of having particular moments where you can say, yes, there is that moment, I know I'm going there and it is going to enrich me. Systematic.
Torej, veste, v naravni strukturi se dogajajo določeni dogodki. Ja, se jih udeležim, zato ker me bo to obogatilo.
The other one,
Drugo,
a formation designed and carried out together with the laity.
gre za formacijo, ki je zamišljena in izvajana skupaj z laiki.
The presence of Salesians
Navzočnost Salezijancev
becomes a very good message. Those of us who are here.
Se pravi, navzočnost Salezijancev danes tukaj daje tudi zelo lepo sporočilo.
Because we are all in the same boat.
Zato, ker smo vsi na istem čovnu.
The last point, as I
Zadnja
finish,
točka in končam.
from a mentality of self-sufficiency to real experience of the need for joint formation.
Od miselnosti o samozadostnosti k resnični izkušnji potrebe po spojeni skupni formaciji Salezijanci laiki.
And there are moments on a provincial level like today.
In se pravi, so stvari, ki se dogajajo razveze na inšpektoralni ravni kot danes.
I am also aware that there are also moments of formation in the different houses and presences.
Vem pa, da so tudi različni trenutki formacije po različnih ustanovah vaših.
Yesterday I shared with the provincial council.
Včeraj sem bil skupaj z inšpektoralnim svetom.
You are already on the good way, track.
Na zelo dobri poti ste.
Keep journeying together
Pojdite še naprej skupaj
and keep that word alive, Zakai.
in ohranite to besedo.
Why?
Why?
For the young people. That's why we are
Zakaj,
here.
za koga, za mlade ljudi.
You have been fantastic. Thank you very much.